John. I am speaking to your practice to English, and so I am be happy today and speaking to English practice and class and proper speaking English practice to another two video, and so I am my speaking to your another two topic. So and I proper to best of luck to speaking practice time to another two topic, and so default to speaking. Okay, and my backside to your Kali temple that is proper to your and simple to another video, and I am confident that's your spoken English practice and enjoy to I am happy to another today and success to speaking and not your confident. Okay, and my outside that's your Kali temple, and so I am proper to speaking and today. Okay, and a new font and I am speaking to English. So proper speaking practice and another to my outside my one friend. Okay, and success to that's your evening time and noon time, and to same time to another your 3 p.m. time. Okay, so success to your practice and mainly your success to English lecturer. Okay, and confident to that's your proper to confident your speaking English practice time, and so default speaking practice and another fluently speaking practice to confident that's your proper confident to English practice, and that's an main gates and Kali temple main gates and proper to your temple. Okay, so I am very happy today and your Kali temple that's your stone temple. Okay, stone temple that's your proper speaking English practice. So I am be happy today and English language practice and your very good your information and your temple that's your know your name and your very festivals you enjoy today and enjoy to others proper speaking practice and English class time. Okay, and so and proper to speaking and your very beautiful your font and temple. Okay, very beautiful font and success to your normally, and I am thinking to English and I am speaking to English and regularly. Okay, that's your proper to outside your temple your patent tree that's your proper to your outside to your restaurant and your agarbatti everything's your proper. Okay, and your floor your red floor and your white floor. Okay, possible speaking time and okay, and I am rounding to your temple side. I am rounding to your temple side and your proper your speaking. Okay, and I have to regular English language practice and I somebody to speaking practice. Very good font. Okay, and so this visible to speaking practice time to English and your outside to English you're speaking and others experience speaking practice your experience I share my everyone. Okay, so confident you speaking English practice and other bamboo trees and everything's your temple outside your bamboo trees and my outside that's your friend and your toilet your complete. Okay, I've got my video. Goodbye everyone. I am successfully speaking English practice class and be happy to another video, and today that's your enjoy everyone. I cutting to my video. I am sitting to another speaking practice class and be happy. Okay, so you're my outside that's the road and every people and you going to your continue and so increase to your speaking practice time. Okay, and so your practice to speaking practice and I am very interested and speaking English practice class. Okay, so very good everyone and default your temple that's your very beautiful your very nice and your temple and so you're very that's your very feelings in my heart and my your body and so very good your place. Okay, and outside that's your sleeping that's your sleeping tree and very concept your another video. Hello everyone, that's your my one friend. চল রে গোরি যাবো আমি তোমার ভালোবাসা। এই একজন গরু নিয়ে আসতেছে। এটা কি ঠাকুর? কালী ঠাকুর তো? এটা কি ঠাকুরের মন্দির? আর এটা हेलो एवरीवन, की दोस्तों कैसा है तू? कैसा है तू?
बहुत अच्छा है।
बच्चा अच्छा है। क्या इंटरेस्ट है तू वीडियो करने के लिए?
यस।
ओके, तो मेरे पास बहुत इंटरेस्टेड टॉपिक है, अदर्स योर ट्री एंड योर आउटसाइड टू द लैंड। ओके, योर वेजिटेबल ट्रीज एंड वेजिटेबल्स एवरीथिंग्स योर प्रॉपर टू स्पीकिंग टू आई एम इंग्लिश। এই মাসি কোথায়? তো ফোন নাম্বার আছে না? ফোন করতে একটা। And outside my one friend and cow to cow, that's your working time. Okay. Huh? And your green grass, that's your eating to your cow, and outside your goat and people, your everything's. Okay. And very interested your font. I am proper to English language practice. Cow. I am two cow. And two cow, that's your very enjoy. And your eating time, no? Eating time, you two cow, that's your very interested. Okay, and outside your bike. Okay. And your temple, and good temple, that's your very beautiful. Okay. And Kali temple. Okay. And so, and temple side, and one electric pillar, that's your Jubo computer, you're interested. কি বল কেন? মাসি পরে ফোন করে দেবে। ওকে, আরে চলে যাবে এখন। ওরা কি ফোন করবে? and you're very big, your height, your tree, so impossible to your others, your tree, everything's your simply, and bamboo tree, that's your proper. Okay, and electric city and pillar. কি ওর নামটাও ভুলে যাই, কি জানি নাম? চলে গেলাম বৃষ্টি। এই বুড়ো চলে গেলাম। মেঘ করলে মেঘের আমি কি ঠাকুরের নিয়তিকে আমরা থামাতে পারবো?